Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to show you what kind of backpack I needed for every day going to Haram and coming back to Haram. This backpack is like my purse and it will be staying with me for all over my journey of the Hajj. There's a few changes. We can modify the few changes for the day of Arafah and the night of Muzdalifah inside my backpack. Either other ways, like this backpack stay whole time the same with me. So let me show you this backpack. I got it from the Mountain Warehouse. As you can see, like it is very soft and very comfortable and very light in weight. So this backpack look like this it has a two zipper. The one zip, big zip goes here, and the small pocket on the back. So let me start from the back side. So in the back side I hang with the help of these clips one soap and the sanitizer, and it's labeled nicely, so I don't have to worry I put the soap or either I have to put the sanitizer, because I can clearly read the labels. And over there is a sunblock hanging on my backpack on the other side, because due to the too hot weather of Makkah, you need to apply a sunblock so many times to even though refreshing your wuzu. So you properly wipe off the sunblock, because all sunblock has a water resistance quality, so you have to properly wipe it off and then reapply the sunblock. So on the back pocket, what things I kept it in my back pocket. With the help of the baby diaper pin, I put the counter for the tawaf, and it's all time hanging inside my pocket. And I kept in the back pocket a few of the liners and the tablet tissues, which is like tablet tissue. Once you pour the water, it become a big, so I need to wipe up my sunblock clearly before refreshing my wuzu. I kept in there lip balm, which is unscented and fragrance free. I kept inside the very essential stuff, which is like whenever I use the washroom, so I have to hang this backpack with the help of the S hook, which is you all are able to see it here. So it goes, all the things goes in my backpack, the back pocket. And also the small bottle of the sanitizer if you feel too dry, your hand gets too dry. So it's your personal own choice what you want to keep it. If you feel these stuff are not essential for you, you don't have to keep it inside. And that electrolyte, I have to keep that electrolyte all the time, like in my backpack, and at least drink 5 to 7 bottle of the electrolytes. I'm gonna use this electrolyte in this disposable bottle. It will be easily available everywhere in the Hajj time, with the Zamzam fill inside the water and pour that your electrolyte inside and drink as much as you can, because it's going to be too hot and summer days in Makkah, and you don't want your body to get tired and your BP go slow. Okay. So last year once we went for the Hajj, we at least drank like one of this whole electrolyte bottle in a day. It's depending how you prefer your drink to be done, like how much taste of orange you want it inside. So after using this, this bottle will be easily available. I'm going to throw it, and the next day I will use another new bottle. So this electrolyte goes inside in my backpack. So here how does it's organized from the inside. Let me show you. Have a quick look. Here's the stitching of the backpack pocket, and I'm going to pin my baby diaper pins inside to organize my bag. So here is the first Ziploc bag, which has the bandage, few bandage and the blister bandage, and the polysulfone in this container. Why the polysulfone I kept it in this container? Because the polysulfone has a very oily texture, and in the heat of the Makkah, the polysulfone caps sometime open and it's going to be so mess up. So I always kept it inside in the small container. That container easily available on Amazon, or you can buy it from the dollar store. Here I keep some of the facial tissue inside my backpack with the help of, again, diaper baby pen. And on the other side I hang the white pouch. I use this white pouch to wipe off my hands, and sometimes the wipe off the place if there's some dirt or something. And sometime I'm gonna use this to wipe off my sunblock before refreshing my wuzu. And this is a very essential pack of my backpack, the medication pack, and it's gonna be keep it the same for all the time in my travel of Hajj time. So there is like a few tablets of Tylenol. I kept it inside Stapsil, 2 tablets of a Stapsil. I drop if your eyes get really dry due to the hot weather. Voltaren gel, because if my feet get hurt by the wheelchair, I'm going to bear that pain until I'll go back to hotel and get the Voltaren gel or Biofreeze something to apply on my feet. So I kept this inside my backpack all time. And 2 Advils, 2 tablets of Advil, Reactin, the 1 tablet of Reactin, the 1 or 2 tablet of every medication, probiotic sachet, 3-4 tablets of Imodium for the diarrhea, and here we go the Gryval for the vomiting and all the stuff, and Tums. So all the medication, and also the medication of your peers if you are holding your peers for the whole time of the Hajj. So I was prefer you to keep that medication with you all time. These are my medical bag inside my backpack. So I kept that bag all the time with me inside my backpack for whole journey of the Hajj. So what essential stuff I'm going to keep it inside. Here the portable mobile charger. Your mobile needs to be charged all the time. You cannot take that risk your mobile is turned off, because sometimes you are far away and apart from your group. So if you are using your mobile to read the Quran and all this stuff, so make sure your portable charger is fully charged. So I got this portable charger. It is a very fast in charging and very small and light in weight and compatible. So I kept it this one inside my backpack all the time. And here let me show you what other essential stuff goes inside my backpack. So my indoor flip-flop, which I'm going to use it inside the haram, only for the inside of haram area. So I kept this flip-flop inside my backpack. Okay. And if I'm traveling in the time of the Zohar and Asr, so I kept my fan inside my backpack. And here you go your dua book. Your flip-flops is another side, so you can keep your dua book on the top of your flip-flop or either separate apart. So I'm gonna make it separate apart on the other end of my bag, my dua book. Okay. And after my dua book, here you go like my umbrella, the UV protective umbrella goes inside my backpack, and plus my small praying mat, it also goes inside my backpack. And here you go like my flashable wipes. So it's totally your own personal choice. Either you want to keep this wipes and or your flashable wipes. So of course the flashable wipe has so much benefits, even though you can use in a washroom and or you can flush them easily, and these wipes you are not able to flush, but you can use these wipes as a wipe of your sunblock too. And here I'm going to put it like my roll-on Vaseline inside my backpack all the time. Don't wait to get the rashes happen in your thighs and then use the roll-on Vaseline. Apply that roll-on Vaseline. Even though man has to apply it, the woman has to also apply it before the rashes start. Like every day you have to use it. So I kept it in my backpack, because whenever I need to go to the washroom, I have to reapply that. This gloves, which you saw it here, why I'm keeping the gloves inside my backpack, because sometimes once you go into the washroom after a long lineup, you will figure it out the Muslim shower is inside the WC or a commode. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wait for another half an hour to go to the another washroom? No. So you wear your gloves and grab that Muslim shower, wash it and use it, and throw the gloves. So in this case, I'll kept like that gloves on the back pocket always. And the most important stuff for my everyday use is my water bottle, the mist water bottle, which you was able to see it like the mist on the top, and I can drink the water from here. I'm gonna fill that water bottle with the Zamzam, and I'm gonna keep that water bottle all time with me inside my backpack. And here I'm going to use the banana cover if I want to keep some of the fruits with me, and I want to I'm keeping a banana with me, so I'm kind of kept the banana cover inside with me for if I'm planning to go for all day for spending inside the haram. So that banana cover helped my banana to ripe it off. So here you go, that is like a pretty much all the stuff inside my backpack. Inside my backpack, and it's extra stuff even though I put inside my backpack just to show you guys how does the backpack look like. And the one more another essential stuff which I'm not going to forget, that is my sunglasses. So I have to wear the sunglasses. If you have a power glasses, so make sure your power glasses turn into the transition glasses for the time of the Hajj. It would be hassle to carry the two glasses, but I don't have like a power glasses, so I have to keep like my this transition glasses all the time inside my backpack on the back pocket. So I kept it inside the Ziploc bag to save them from scratches or anything. So here you go, how is going to be look like my backpack right now. As you all able to see it is fully loaded. So this backpack is, I'm going to keep this backpack all the time for my Hajj journey. There's only few things going to be added in this backpack for the night of Muzdalifah and the day of Arafah. What are that few things which I'm going to use it for the night of Muzdalifah and the day of Arafah. So let me tell you, that is like a everyday use my backpack for the haram. Now I'm going to tell you how you're gonna organize for the night of Muzdalifah. So for the night of Muzdalifah, in the day of Arafah, I'm not going to keep this indoor flip-flop with me. So I'm going to take this indoor flip-flop out, and I'm going to keep this pillow inside my backpack for the night of Muzdalifah, because once you are done with the long day of Arafah, you don't have to wait for in the lineup to get just the pillow from the company and this and that. If you get really tired, just keep your inflatable travel pillow inside your backpack and just need to blow it. Okay. And also for the night of the Muzdalifah, I'm going to keep this my toiletry kit, like the toothpaste and the toothbrush. With the help of the baby pin, I'm going to attach this. So this is all what I needed for a whole time of my Hajj journey for the everyday haram use, and the Mina, not the Mina, for the day of Arafah and the night of Muzdalifah. That's how my backpack looks like. I need to only add like a few more snacks if you want to add it, like a few more dry snack and some extra money inside your backpack. And I'm also keeping my head for all the time together with me. So I put one clip outside my backpack, the empty clip, and with the help of that empty clip, I hang my head in that clip. So that's how my backpack look like from the back, and you can see it easily, like it's not too heavy, not too much. So this is all the stuff I'm going to carry it like all the time with me. Why I'm carrying all the medication and all the stuff with me? Because like it would be so hassle going back to the room and get that medication, because once you are traveling for the Hajj, make sure you are traveling light and comfortably and compatibly, because getting one medication from one place and going back to another place, it would be really hard. There's a things happen which is like just the Qadar Allah. Be prepared, tie your camel and try your best. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make each and every step of yours easy peasy, and inshallah you will be rewarded the best Hajj, inshallah. And may Allah accept our effort. Thank you for joining us. Jazakumullah khair.